My brother Andrew, you're most welcome. The stage is yours.
Thank you very much, Honorable Clergy, Right Honorable Speaker, dignitaries present, fellow mourners. Thank you very much for coming to condole with us. I want to introduce the family here. Actually, let them introduce themselves, and then I'll speak just briefly.
Right Honorable Speaker, all protocol observed. My name is Acheng Diana. I'm a registered nurse in the state of Arizona, USA. I am the oldest, but I look like the youngest, except for Christian. Thank you for condoning with us.
Can we clap? Can we clap? Can we clap?
Hello everyone. My name is Karen Atim, and I am the daughter, one of the daughters of Jacob Oulanyah. And welcome. Thank you for coming.
Madam Speaker, all protocol observed. My name is Hon.Oulanyah. I am the firstborn for Jacob and Dorothy, along with my little sister Tim and my brother Ezra, who will introduce himself later. I'd like to thank you all for coming here to celebrate the life that my father lived. He was a good man. Thank you very much.
Can we clap?
Right Honorable Speaker, all protocol observed. My name is Christian Okori. Thank you for coming. I'm in primary 6 at Kwagakwe. My mother is there, Dorina Bola, she may stand up.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right Honorable Speaker, all protocol observed. Thank you for coming today. My name is Ezra Oulanyah. I am the last born son of Jacob and Dorothy, and I'm very happy to have all of you here. Thank you.
Thank you. Can we clap for Ezra?
The Right Honorable Speaker, protocol observed. My name is Charity Loga Ojo, and I'm a wife in this home. I'm a wife to Andrew Ayogedde. I really appreciate all of you for standing with us. May God bless you.
Thank you so much. You're most welcome.
Thank you very much. We also have nieces and nephews. You could just stand up. We may not introduce all of you, but just stand up and wave. Nieces and nephews.
Can we clap?
It's a big family. Nothing you can see. Then we have the sisters and brothers. Hey, Auntie Harriet, Auntie Betty, are you here? Uncle Francis Muna is in the village. He came back briefly, then he went back to check on home. Well, aunties and uncles. I believe Dick Milton O'Mara is around. Should be around. But yes, so those are the uncles. And then there are also in-laws. In-laws. Wow. Thank you so much. They're from all corners of the country. We're indeed nationalists. Thank you very much for coming. So my message is just premised on what Chairman Mao Norbert said during an NRM retreat. He said that an acronym for WWJD. What would Jacob do? I know there's one for what would Jesus do, but there's also what would Jacob do. I would want to amend that further to what would Daddy do. Okay? So in all things, what would Daddy do as a starting point? Yes, we might have flaws as human beings, but what is our baseline? For example, there was this bola dance that came here. What would Daddy do? Okay? What would he do? I'm at the risk of saying we're right now in heaven. Okay? Because in this song, we follow, they say there's Mara, there's love. There's Gumkum, which is fortune, there's good luck. There's Kwa, there's life. There's Lego, there's prayer. It's what we're doing here. So I want to risk saying we're in heaven. Yes. So, further along that line, when we're coming from the airport, when we bring Daddy home, there are those few errant fellows who, of course, thought it was a spectacle. Okay, they were going to see the body, see the body. But then there are also a few who showed love for the national character that he was. Along the way, people were lined up with posters saying, "Rest in peace, Honorable Speaker, rest in peace, welcome home." Like positive messages, positive uplifting messages that keep us strong. I also want to just quote Thomas Jefferson, was the third president of the USA. He said, "On matters of style, swim with the current. On matters of principle, stand like a rock." So I just want to encourage us, yes, we can shift around all these things, but let's have principles that will guide us going forward. We do not compromise on principles. Okay? So on principles, let's stand firm as a rock. Let's stand united. And then for every decision we make, just ask yourself, what would Daddy do? With those, I welcome you home. Thank you very much.
Can we clap for the family of our beloved brother, friend, boss? To all us friends who are here, we have a lot to help our brother's family be. honest.